Why do fish swim at the top of the tank frequently? You might think they just like the view, but there's a surprising reason that reveals a lot about their health and environment. Fish need oxygen to survive, just like you. When oxygen levels drop in the tank, they instinctively swim near the surface where oxygen is more abundant. This behavior often signals poor water circulation or overcrowding that reduces oxygen below. If you see your fish gasping at the surface regularly, it's a red flag to check your tank's aeration and filtration systems. Toxic substances like ammonia or nitrites can accumulate in aquarium water if it's not cleaned properly. Fish detect these chemicals and move toward the cleaner, more oxygenated water near the surface. This behavior warns you that it's time for a water change or a filter check. Maintaining balanced, clean water helps keep fish active and healthy. Temperature plays a big role in your fish's behavior. Warm water decreases oxygen solubility, making it harder for fish to breathe. That's why during hot days or under strong tank lights, fish gather near the surface where cooler, oxygenated water often exists. Controlling tank temperature with heaters or cooling methods is essential for their comfort. Certain fish species prefer the upper water column as part of their normal behavior. However, if your fish suddenly starts spending a lot more time at the surface, it could mean stress from poor water quality, disease, or tank conditions. Observing patterns helps you know when to act, keeping your fish happy and thriving. Next time you see your fish swimming at the top of the tank, remember it's their way of telling you about oxygen levels, water quality, or stress. Keeping an eye on these signs helps you provide a healthier home. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and become a smarter pet owner.